Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are safe and fine and doing your studies properly at your home. Today we are going to start our new chapter 16, Statistics, that is on page number 225. First, let us introduce. Do you remember how to organize a given information using tally marks and pictograph? We have already studied about tally marks and pictograph in our previous class. Let us first discuss what is data. I said how to organize the given information. That information is known as data. Okay, that is the collection of numbers gathered to give some information. Like a teacher took test in the class and she made a list of those numbers. That information is known as data. And what about pictograph? Pictograph represents the given data in the form of pictures. And tally marks, these are the small vertical lines drawn to represent data, and these are made in the groups of 5. Let us understand the concept more properly with the help of review exercise. Below is given the sale of electric bulbs in a shop on different days of a week. Arrange the data in a table using tally marks. These are the number of days, names of days. In your notebook, when you will do this question, you will make a table and write their days, and below it Monday to Saturday. And these are the number of bulbs. And now you are to arrange the data in the tally marks. So you will write here neatly tally marks. Now Monday has 6 bulbs sold. Now we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line is formed like this, and then 6. For Tuesday, 8 bulbs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every fifth line is made in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Now in the same way you are to do your question number 2. Do it yourself in your notebooks. Now question number 3. The following pictograph shows the number of books in different subjects in a library. One book is representing 20 books. Now using this pictograph we are to interpret this, we are to answer these questions. How many science books are there in the library? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 symbols are there and one symbol is equal to 20. So the result will be equal to 160. In the same way, which subject books are maximum in the library? Science and English both have 8 symbols. It means answer will be Science and English. What is the total number of books in the library? Let us count all the symbols. 7 and 8, 15. 15 and 6, 21. 21 and 8, 29 and 3, 32. 32 symbols are there and 1 is representing 20. So total number of books are 640. What is the total number of English and Hindi books? English is 8 and Hindi is 6. So 8 and 6, 14 multiplied by 20. It makes 280 books. And how many more English books are there than the maths books? 8, 7. The difference is 1. So 1 into 20, that is there are 20 more books of English. Okay, in next question we are to prepare the pictograph. We are to represent the data in the form of pictures. Okay, here different trees in an orchard are given below. We are to draw a pictograph to represent this data. Now first one is shown to us. Along with this symbol is given that it is representing 50. If I have to make apples now, 350 trees, so what should I do? 1, it means 50, 50, 100 I have done. 3, 150, 200, and then 250, 300 and 350. 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have drawn one extra by mistake. 57s are 350, so you will draw in all 7. In next pairs 150, we have to make 3 trees, 1, 2 and 3. In the same way, do for 200 and 100 yourself now. You will complete this question. Similarly, you are to draw pictograph for this question. Different varieties of sweets sold on festival day is given. We have to prepare a pictograph and also form any 2 questions. Easier way is this. Just set a symbol for this. Let us take a circle to represent any kind of sweet, and this is representing 10 kg. You can take it as 20 kg also. It's your wish. Okay, and in place of circle you can take any other shape like this, any other as you wish, but make all symbols of same shape. Okay, now you will do it yourself, and after this frame any 2 questions like which sweet was sold maximum, or you can say which sweet was sold minimum, or any other question of this type. Now your homework is to revise review exercise of chapter 16 and complete in your notebook. Thank you.